Well, we got another one here that goes into the behemoth category. This is a pretty big fan. Picked up on a drive back, and we have a Arctic Air. It's got a jury ring. It's got a huge motor. No stickers on the motor. We have our plate here. Arctic Air model. I can't really read that. Whatever that says, and then 3 speeds, push button. Fasco Industries. There you go. Fasco, Rochester, New York. 2.6 amps, 60 cycles, 115 volts. Model. Come on, focus, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. We can't read it through there. Anyway, 9046 maybe? D9046. I don't know. Now that we're refocused, we'll take a closer look. We have front grille with the cool badge dealie. However, we are missing a hook for the grill, so that needs to be dealt with. Let's turn. We have a modern. This is a more of a '60s style mounted shock blade set. So these Arctic Airs go back to the '50s, but this might not be from the '50s. This might be more of a '60s fan. Still all metal construction. But I think that the 50s ones are more of a green. There's still this machine paint type stuff, but they're usually more of a green. So this might be also, the badge isn't that fancy. I have a feeling this is a later version of this. It shakes a little bit, doesn't run as fast as you'd expect. I don't know what to expect. I've never seen one before. That's why I picked it up. I really don't need more fans. But this one with the push buttons, some of these Arctic Air early ones, you see them, they're only 1 speed. But this has got different speeds, so we'll turn it around. We'll take a look at the back of it. We're back here with the Fasco Arctic Air, which must mean that that's a Fasco motor. I've never seen one before, but I guess that's what they look like. It's got rubber mounts, as you can see. We have a switch box for our switch, and the cord, which is probably original. It's knotted down there. We have a grommet intact, and the cord looks pretty good. Not bad, probably original. The motor's a little dirty on this side, a little better on the other side, so we'll get it cleaned off and out. I'm going to just do some cleaning here. We're missing another hook on the back. Someone, they used the old-fashioned twist ties, or whatever the hell that is. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Anyway, so we'll have to come up with, I'm thinking maybe a cotter pin, bent like a hook at the end, so it would go around here and go up into there. I have a few that might work. So we'll see how that goes, but again, it's got the badge on the back side, which is pretty nice. A lot of times you don't see those. So this is probably from the early 60s, maybe not a 50s fan. If you think I'm wrong, let me know. So we're gonna run it. Hold on. All right. Sorry if there's any. There's a little bit of a breeze, so sorry if there's any wind noise, but I'm going to shoot the video anyway. I'm going to start with high. Neat sound. It's almost got a hum to it. Might just be bad bearings. Medium. It's okay once it settles into its speeds, but it does shake a little bit. That slowed down a lot. Doing funny stuff. Alright, I don't like it. Maybe it needs to be oiled or something. We're going to have to figure out what's going on. Let's try low. Alright, I don't know. It's acting funny. So we don't know. We'll have to put it to the meter. Let me grab the meter and we'll see if it's running within spec. It's acting funny for sure. That could just be because it's all balanced. We'll have to see. Alright, we're here with the Arctic Air, which is acting funny on the medium and low. So let's try it. It's on amps. We'll try it on high. Should be drawing 2.8. started, but it's running wherever it's supposed to. Let's let it hang for a minute. Alright, let's go to that medium. .73. Okay. 117 volts. It's supposed to be 115. It's at 121.2. Hertz around 60. Let's go to that low. Low drops down. Watts. But with the breeze and everything, it really slows down a lot on that low. I don't like it. Alright, back to high, I guess. It jumps up to speed up to high. Now it's back to its 2.7. A little below spec on that. Hear a little bearing noise. It could just be that the bearings are all screwed up. We'll have to pull it apart. It'll be an interesting experiment to see if we can get the blades off. Alright, so that'll be what's next. Bearing noise. You can hear it rumbling. It runs. It seems to run at the wired electricity ratings. And the motor didn't heat up that much. I was checking out the motor. It's pretty cool. I'm not running it for long, obviously. But hopefully get some oil in there. Maybe that'll fill up some of the space in the bearing for now. Really cool fan. Really cool look to it. Hopefully we find out it's alright. We'll do what we can with the grates. It needs a foot on the bottom, which I think I'm going to make myself with a washer and a sheet metal screw and a grommet. I have a bunch of these different size grommets and stuff, so I might try that. Seems like that might work. And there you go. So we'll do more on this. It's pretty dirty. It needs to be cleaned up as well. But I want to see if I can get the blades off. I need to buy a puller. So that's the plan with this one. Thanks for watching. Arctic Air by Fasco. Pretty cool fan.